Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Today we're talking and having a look at the app Fabulous. So what Fabulous is a habit app. You may have seen plenty of the ads that get around helping and promoting you to make more healthy and effective habits to start to increase or improve the quality of your life. But is it worth the money? Does it really work? What are the pros, cons, all that sort of stuff about it? So, not ever having a set routine, because let's face it, sometimes life can be a bit difficult. Is Fabulous going to change any of that? Let's have a look and see the app in action. Okay, so this is the screen when we start up Fabulous. Now you can see there's a little bit of stuff here, so I've done my morning routine. Now you can set a reminder for an afternoon routine. Here you pick your habits. So here we can add breathing. So you notice that it's got one habit up there now. Drink water, 2 habits. Now some of them, like clean and tidy up for 10 minutes, exercise for 8 minutes. Not sure what you can accomplish in 8 minutes, but hey. Learn and study, 45 minutes. Now if we add clean and tidy up, it'll have 10 minutes up there. Now if we remove that, so it'll give us a thing to breathe. We can breathe for as long as we want, but it wants us to clean up and tidy for 10 minutes. So if we add all of these, we'll notice now our afternoon routine will take 1 hour, 57 minutes. So there we get a bit of a overview of what it is that we're doing and why we would. So learn and study, why we'd learn and study. So pretty basic stuff, but pretty cool, really. And here a whole bunch of habits. So that one doesn't, okay. That's alright. Now we go down to that one. How do we release those beliefs? So it's just choosing anything that works for you. Now, oh yeah, shower. So it's up to you what habit you want to add. Now you can put an alarm on for that. You can start to do these things. So you can skip it, do it, or snooze it. Now drink water. Yep, done that today. Done that one today. Well done. So that's one day that I've done my afternoon routine. Now it always wants you to gift and invite and get people in. Now I found every day too, they get you a little story. So something to keep you motivated. We tick that off and then that's complete. Now we can find stress and discover mindfulness with 3 deep breaths. So it will teach us how to do that with a little video from their thing. Now your letter. Now this one you can either read or have it read to you.
Didn't succeed? We'd love to hear why. Just click on the feedback button in the top right corner. And remember that you can do this anytime you have a question. We're here to help. If you have succeeded, you may have realized something.
So, to start, now you only get a 7-day free trial. Now in 7 days, so I've drunk water 4 out of the 7 days so far. Ate a good breakfast 2 out of the 7 days so far. Oh yeah, you get your read on there. And it has all these things to help you. Not so much help, but get you along your way. So here's in the coaching little bits and pieces that they want you to get through. So here's the days I've done the morning routine so far. The day I've started my afternoon routine. So the success rate's been pretty good for these ones so far, as you can see. Now you can see 227 people have joined their little exercise challenge. So if I join that, so now here, let's set up manually. Let's just go Rob. That'll do. Okay. Okay. Done. Looks awesome. So then you get to choose your time that you do it. So 7 a.m. So let's go that. And so where you want to get that in. So these are methods to keep you committed. So here you'd send it to the person that you want to via Facebook, email, SMS, whatever, to hold you accountable for that. Now I get it. That's pretty cool. You can get a companion, do a mindful ritual, take notes. Double alarm seems to be locked for whatever reason. And a mindful ritual. Let's have a look at that one. Okay, commit to my ritual. Okay, so I've done that. I'm happy with that one. So time at 7 a.m. I'm going to do the 7-minute exercise challenge. I'm absolutely ready. Okay, there we go. So do it 7 times to succeed. Now I can join a discussion about the challenge, invite people into it, and have a look at all the people who are doing it or have done it. Now there are a whole bunch of other challenges and stuff on here. Keeping in note, I only do have this for 7 days. Now I will have a look and see what it's like in the morning when it wants me to do these. Normally it just comes up with a little bar above the top, which I hope to be able to show you. So until then, that is fabulous at the moment. Okay, so I've managed to see this is what comes up in the morning when you do your challenges. So you can either snooze or see the list of things, or you can press play on it. So the list shows you that and goes straight into the app. Now if I had to press play, it would have just gone onto the next challenge for the morning, which is probably drinking water. But here I've gone through the list. You can still see it's got my morning routine down there. So there's drink water, eat a great breakfast, once again. But, so at 7 a.m. it comes up with that little thing, and that's it, telling you what to do. Now that's one feature I do like of Fabulous. Okay, so getting into the morning routine, here we are. Drinking water, and done that already. And we're done for our morning routine. So we've done that 6 days in a row now. Then you get one of your little motivational things, and then they want you to jump onto Instagram and follow them there. But here we go. So day 2 of the 7-minute exercise challenge, what we do there. So it's got that, we launch into that. And I have done 7 minutes worth of exercise, probably not those exercises, but anyway. There's that. Yep, I'll do that tomorrow. Continue my journey. Activate your backup. Okay. Now, here, let's have a look at how much it is for a lifetime membership. $500 Australian. There. Action for today, prepare for success. Remind me to do that at 10 PM tonight. And here we are, the first action. A 3-minute read on all stuff. And to cure your excuses, pretty much. And that about wraps it up. So there's plenty on here if you're into it. I don't see myself using it, especially for how much it is, which is, $63 a year. Probably, yeah. Well, it's 50% off too. So, yeah. Probably not going to continue to use this. But anyway, guys, that is fabulous. Let's get back to the review. So, what's the final verdict? Honestly, I'd rate Fabulous about a 6 out of 10, maybe even a 5 out of 10. It didn't blow me away. It's nicely presented, don't get me wrong. There are those nice little articles to read and all that sort of stuff, but really at the end of the day, you could get something much cheaper. You could get a notebook and a pen to write things down, and you get the same sort of thing. Now, I don't know, maybe that's just me. Maybe it's just because I don't want to use my phone for that sort of thing. And I really don't see how it can cost so much for something so simple. Now I know it probably takes a whole team of people to get it running and get it looking and getting it working the way it does, but a pen and paper is going to set you back. A really good one, $15 maybe. Or what are the alternate apps here that will do the same thing at a much cheaper price? Because really all it is a reminder. You could set 15 different alarms in your phone for free to go off to remind you to drink water, to eat a healthy breakfast, to this, that and the other. When it's time to exercise, when it's time to get up, Fitbits do it automatically. Some of them vibrate to tell you to get up and have a bit of a walk around. So, do you get what you're paying for with this one? And especially for $500 friggin' dollars. God damn. I mean, that is lifetime, but realistically, is it something you're going to use for life? Once you've set those routines, once they become part of your everyday life, do you really need the app even? But anyway, those are my thoughts on it. What do you think about Fabulous? Do you use it? Do you use another alternative? Do you use something else? Or are you just motivated? Can you even keep a morning routine? But anyway guys, that's it for this video. I'm Rob Murphy, and I'll see you in the next video.